Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by making a quick atta tortilla base for Pakistani-style tacos. Mix 2 cups whole wheat atta flour, 1 teaspoon salt, and 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Pour in 3/4 cup warm water slowly and knead to a soft, elastic dough. Cover and rest 20 minutes to relax the gluten, which helps rolling. Divide into 6 equal balls. Roll each to a 5-inch diameter disc about 1/4 inch thick. Cook on a hot skillet 45-60 seconds per side until light brown spots form, then keep warm under a towel. For the filling, heat 2 tablespoons vegetable oil in a pan and add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. When they sizzle, stir in 1 tablespoon ginger-garlic paste. Add 1 pound keema or 250 grams paneer cubes and brown for 4-5 minutes. Season with 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, and salt to taste. Pour in 1/2 cup crushed tomatoes, mix, and simmer for 10 minutes until moisture reduces and flavors concentrate. Finish with chopped cilantro and a squeeze. To assemble Pakistani tacos, warm each tortilla briefly and spoon about 1/3 cup of the spiced keema or paneer into the center. Add 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt mixed with mint and coriander chutney, then scatter thinly sliced onion and 1 tablespoon chopped cilantro. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon chopped masala and drizzle with lemon juice from 1 wedge. Optionally add a char or pickled carrots for acidity. Fold and press lightly to seal. Serve immediately while warm so textures contrast. Soft tortilla, juicy filling, crisp onion, and tangy chutney.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.